I'm over here at the shooting range, and every third grader in the next 5 counties is over there watching some BMX bike thing. And we're over here at the shooting range, so if you hear a bunch of screaming children in the background while I'm recording, that's why. Alright, shooting 3 rounds of Silver State Armory, 173 grain, or 175 grain hollow point boat tails at 100 yards. We'll see how they do. Out of the old M1A loaded. Already shot 3 off camera. Here we go.
Yeah, it's lumpy.
Well, they didn't do bad. They did quite alright, actually. Alright, folks, this is my target. So, my first group with the SSA 175 grain hollow point boat tail 308s. My first group was right here, holding here every time, and I got a 1.25 MOA group, which is pretty good. Alright, I did that off camera, so you know, that way I just could get an idea of what they would do. I did that first group out of the gun when we got here. Then I held here, this is the one I filmed, upper right hand target, holding here every time, and they got a 2.50 MOA group. Now the third bullet, I don't know where it went to. I'm assuming I got lucky. Maybe it's just a guess. I got lucky and I put it through one of these holes, but I don't see it. That might be it there. I may have pulled it. I don't know. I can't tell where it went to. But overall, these two right here was a 2.50 MOA group. So, that's alright, but I can't account for the third shot. I don't know where it went to. That might be it there. I don't know. Because this board's been shot all over. So, I'm just going to say that's a 2.50 MOA group. And then this one I filmed. But something very odd happened here. It's holding here every time. And now I pulled that first shot. I will admit that. I pulled it. I nudged right as I squeezed the trigger, as I was letting out my last breath. My breathing was good. I was letting out my breath, and I nudged the rifle and I pulled that one. Okay, so that one's on me. So I reconstituted myself, and I held here. Made sure I was holding there when I squeezed the trigger. It hit here. My dad's shooting his 30-06. So I was like, okay, well, that's a bit strange. But, you know, I was thinking, well, you know, maybe it's just the ammo. And then I held here again. I squeezed the trigger, and it hit right there. And then I started getting worried, you know, because I was holding here, pulled the trigger, hit right there. And I started getting worried. I thought my gun had messed up. I thought the gas system had come undone. The gas plug on the front of the gas piston had come loose or something. I got paranoid. My gun was a little hot. I did film these, and I'll roll in the clip of that. Oh man. I think I pulled that one. Yeah, that was me there. That wasn't the gun. My barrel's pretty hot too, so. I had a better grip on it that time. Huh. Yeah, so I rolled that in. You all saw how that happened. So I got paranoid and thought my M1A was tearing up, so I loaded up some Remington cord locked 150 grain PSP rounds, which are right over there. I loaded up 3 of them, held right here every time, and got a 2.25 MOA group. So I was like, okay, so it's not the gun. So I was like, I wonder if it's at 175 grain ammo, you know. Because I'd only shot 3 groups at that point, and I thought, well, maybe it's just, you know, opening up too heavy. So I loaded up 3 more, held here, and got a .65 MOA group, under an inch, with the SSA, holding here every time. So I don't know how it goes from this to that, you know. I'm guessing, because I know I pulled that one, but maybe my barrel was getting really hot or something. I don't know. I find that odd, but I'll take a 0.65 MOA group any day of the week. And then I let myself cool, took a little break, and I held right here on this big old rectangle, holding here, and I got a 2.25 MOA group, counting that one up here. I just marked these because it's on the page. So overall, this ammo, I'll say it's pretty good when I do my part, obviously. I mean, I did get a 0.65 MOA group, a 125, a 2.25, and a 250 out of it, so it's pretty good. I may not just be on my game today, or at least I wasn't when I fired that. So, overall, I'd say this is pretty good stuff. 175 grain ammo, hollow point boat tail. And with that there, this grouping right here under an inch, I will be looking for a 175 grain bullet to reload. So, hey guys, this has been Plisken by 51mm. I'll see you all on the next video.